tribe, and welcome to my channel. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, definitely honey, you are welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, hello, hi, yes. So hi, I'm back guys. I'm back. And today I'm doing something so different. I am going to be having a seafood boil, and yes, I made this myself at home because I am in the Lallies. I stay in the township, so there's absolutely no one offering seafood boils around here, and the best seafood place I can get around here is Ocean Basket, and it's in the nearest town. This is a township, so I bought the things to myself. You know what I'm saying? I did a homemade seafood boil. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, there you go. I made a homemade seafood boil. Maybe you guys can see from the table around here. No, you can't see anything. Bring it down a bit. Okay. Yeah, now that's better. Yeah, so this is my seafood boil, and I also made my own signature Belove's kind of inspired sauce. And also, as you all know, I specialize, it is my spillion in making specialty drinks, signature drinks. And I made, this is a jam jar that I am selling for my wholesale items or whatever. If you have me on WhatsApp, you know. If you have me on Facebook, you know. And don't say I didn't tell you, because I told you to link up with me. Now I'm saying, now I mean. Oh guys, I keep on checking if it's recording. Like, I need to keep on checking if it's recording, because yeah, imagine recording and then you find out you ain't recording nothing, boo. Okay, change the angle. There we go. Can y'all see me? I think you can. Yes. And today I've changed the orientation of my camera because it's during the night. We now have a ring light, so we can record at night. Guys, I have so much content. The problem is the time to edit. I ain't got that. But anyway, let's get into the video. And obviously, I have to start. So this is like a strawberry sunrise from KFC. If you guys want me to do a video on how I do my specialty drinks, the strawberry daiquiris, the pina coladas, the mojitos, and this one, just tell me on the comment section. One thing I don't like about seafood boils is they're not healthy, because there is a whole lot of butter. I can literally smell the butter. Like, if you know, you know. Okay, I'm worried about, even my dad said so, I'm worried about the amount of salt that is in here. Not only am I worried about the butter, but I'm also worried about the salt. And funny enough, I didn't add that much salt. I just added a lot of spices, and so. There's going to be a lot of eating here, less talking, Okay, so to make this a little bit nicer, let me just add a little bit of a life update video, because I have been MIA for the longest time now. Mind you guys, if you follow me, you know this is not the first time I'm doing a seafood bowl. I've done it before. I'm gonna pee today. You is big. Oh my god, this drink is so huge. Okay, so the problem is I did it with my sister, and we did a video where I was asking her questions about her experience when she got pregnant before marriage, because you know, I don't think you'll know, but people who know me know that I have a nephew whom I adore. Everybody in this house adores that boy. We all adore him. And trust me, when you get to know him, you will also adore him. So I was asking her questions of how she dealt with, you know, like society, you know, black culture stuff, and Christians. Having a child before marriage is considered a taboo, so I just wanted to know what happened, what really happened. And then this lipstick, it's gonna end up looking the ghetto. Later on, she changed her mind. She was like, no, don't post that, I don't like it. And I was just there like, after so much work I put in, I even bought food for the seafood boy, and I'm just gonna pull the plug on me. Oh my gosh, this is so salty. I think it's because there was, what's this sauce, what do they call it? Not sauce, spice. What do they call it? 6 gun. I added 6 gun, and I also added a whole lot of Cajun. Okay. Okay, life update. So I have been MIA due to the fact that I lost my job. I was working for my dad, and now the store closed down due to COVID, you know. So now I lost my job, and I've been trying as hard as I can to make ends meet. So it's been difficult to make content, to give you guys content, but I'm trying, guys. I'm trying. I keep on filming, but I never get the time to edit, because I feel like the Tamil tribe knows I love to like perfect my craft when it comes to editing. I try and make sure that it's as interesting as possible. So yeah, it is what it is. Okay. I got my job, and now I've been doing bubbles. Okay, am I getting emotional? The salt. Let me go and move this lipstick. I'll be back. Oh my goodness. Guys, pasendikure. Ooh, pasendikure. Like I was saying, yes, I lost my job, and not only did I lose my job, my dad lost his job, my little brother lost his job. So now we are literally trying, all of us are trying to make ends meet. We've been very busy. Funny enough, I would expect that our lives would be so slow now that we lost our jobs, but instead they've now become twice as busy. COVID levels have lowered. People are back to getting married. I'm happy about that. This food is a lot. I won't finish it. Yeah. So, I'm very thankful for the life I had, because ever since I lost my job, I can never say I have gone a day where I haven't eaten. No, it hasn't been like that. We are okay. Financially, I'm okay. Let me speak for myself. Financially, I'm okay. I'm surviving. I'm thankful for all my clients who have been keeping me afloat. Because this thing of UIF, you know, like you just pay UIF and the payments, when you pay, they want the money like now. We want the money now. Let it come to paying it back. Okay. So then I also decided to expand my business. I thought about this before I lost my job, and I wanted to do microblading, I wanted to do nails. Then the funny part, this is also going to be, it has a few short stories inside. Then I paid for microblading to the most famous black microblading trainer in South Africa. Do the math and run with it. I paid the money before lockdown. Before I lost my job, I wanted to do microblading. Then I realized the pits, because I paid, right? After I was I asked, I was like, okay, so what's going to happen now? Because there's lockdown, we're not allowed to come to Gauteng, and blah blah blah. I'm in Limpopo, by the way. And then the lady was like, no, we will arrange for you to do microblading when we reopen. Right, cool. Now the lockdown levels have been lowered. The lady is advertising. I realized something funny. I'm like, no man, these prices have changed, they've increased. So I text the lady, I ask her, so what's going on? Because the prices have increased. I hope that doesn't affect me. She's like, no, it doesn't affect you at all. We bought everything for you, the ring lights and everything, machines. We just ready for you to come and work, come and learn. Okay, cool. I'm happy now. On a random day, I'm at work before. By the way, I said before our store closed down. I'm at work on a random day. I receive a text. We will be able to do the combination calls for you, but we won't be able to give you a ring light for free. And I'm like, so okay, that doesn't make sense. That don't make no sense. That don't make no sense. Then I was like, okay, let me just call this person. I called, thinking I'll be speaking to the owner, only to find out, no, I'm not speaking to the owner. I'm speaking to the owner's assistant. I'm like, but this don't make no sense, guys. You just said you are ready for me. Now you're telling me a different story. How is this supposed to work? Because I've already budgeted for this. I don't have any other money. That's all I have. And then the lady was like, okay, it's not a negotiable thing. We are telling you that's the best we can do. I'm like, I don't want my money back. I want to learn. It is very important for me to learn. I want to learn. So let's reach an agreement here. Let's do it this way. Since you're saying the problem is the ring light, the prices for ring lights have gone up. How about you guys give me the amount for the previous ring light, then I'll go get myself a ring light. No, you have to choose, like, if you still want to do the course or we refund you. I'm like, okay, give me time, let me think about it. No. Then I'm like, okay, let me speak to the owner. And the lady was like, if you think I'm rude, the owner is worse. And I'm like,
oh, hey, to go is to see.
Hi. Okay. Then I was like, it's fine, give me back the money. They gave me back the money and I found another person and I went and learned, and now I am a microblading technician as well. Yes, in your face. Go. And people are arrogant. People are arrogant out there, I'm telling you. But this food has a lot of salt. I think I made a mistake and I poured Lot's wife inside this food. I'm not gonna mention who the person is because honestly I don't have time to be giving a person like her free publicity. Never. And this Andre Z. But not just a scenario fail. And then I once saw her certificate on social media and I found out that she writes her certificates by hand. I'm like, thank God I didn't go there. And my tamela leevoy is the one where she writes hand and the rest she types. Why don't you type everything? Are you that lazy? Like, honestly, yo, I'm full. So life has been busy basically. This jam just gonna break my hand. Yeah. You see, I haven't even gone halfway through. I am so full. Okay, so yeah, life has been okay. Relationshipically, things are good.
Guys! Diatola! Guys, don't Diatola!
No, I ain't gonna tell you who the person is. Business wise, okay. I just need to get back on my feet financially, which is very difficult for a person like me who's very extravagant, and a person who sees makeup and just I want to buy. That's how I suffer. That's how I end up suffering. Guys, it is so not easy to eat a crab. Again. Oh my god. I moved back at home, so there's less freedom. But my parents are quite cool. I made like 2 thingies of seafood boil. The other one I gave it to my parents, and the other one, yeah, it's mine. But yo. I need to be full. Yo, this is too much. Even the last time, this is what happened. Is it because I'm eating while drinking? Maybe. Okay, and that is it from me. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm gonna continue with this food tomorrow. I don't know about the drink, but anyway, please do not forget to link up with me on all social media platforms. It's at tamela_leevoy on all social media platforms. And I will see you next time. For now, adios. Bye guys.